Good morning, Miss Saud and 10G1. Today we are going to conduct a survey to find out that if it's true that the taller you are, the bigger your shoe size will be. The first step is to know who to collect data from. I decided that I would collect data from girls of different grades. By doing this, it helped me find people of all heights and shoe sizes. After I knew who I wanted to collect data from, I went around surveying people mainly from the school playground and a couple of girls from my classroom. After collecting the data for the shoe size, I analyzed it and worked out the quartiles, the range, the mode, the mean, interquartiles, and standard deviation. I then repeated the same steps for the height. Later on, I gathered information for the amount of people with the same shoe size and graphed it down on a frequency histogram. This graph shows that most people had a shoe size of size 9 and 10. I used the exact data and information to create a box plot. This scatter plot shows just how much the shoe size increases as the height also increases. I created this one last graph, which is a frequency polygon, and just like the scatter plot, it shows as the height increases, so does the shoe size. Now that I have collected the data and placed it on a graph, it is clear that my hypothesis was correct based on my results. For example, someone who is 176 centimeters has a shoe size of size 10. Compare that to somebody who has a height of 149 centimeters. They have a shoe size of size 3. Overall, the results from my survey that I conducted went according to my hypothesis and was successful. This is obvious throughout the data that I collected in my survey. The statistics that I placed on the graphs have a clear understanding that as your height increases, so does your shoe size. When using the statistics that I had collected, no other results fit into the increasing graph that the taller you are, the bigger your shoe size will be. Some people were tall with a small shoe size. This led to a change in the mean. It also affected how my graph's final look turned out. For example, this scatter plot does not have one continuous line. It has many dots that are scattered around and are not in line with the line of best fit.